Okay, just like movies, 10 years has gone by. Clippy is now being remade as a live action paperclip. So let's measure real world Clippy. Let's capitalize Clippy. That's a real one. All right, so my answer, I'm going to guess, let's say 8 centimeters. Just like the other one, we have to guess between 0 and 10, and we have to make a guess right there. All right, 7 or 8 is fine, right? Both of these are a guess. That works. All right, now we have a better ruler. Same as before. It looks like it's right on that line. All right, so I'm going to go with 8 again. Now, can I just say 8? Because remember, you could have guessed 8 for this first one on the slide before. With this 8 was a guess. I want to make sure that we know we're not guessing that it's 8. We really think it's 8. So this is known, so then we have to put a decimal and then a 0 after it to say, I know it's 8. Guessing that it's 0. So the question then becomes, is the 0.0 important? As I just showed, yes, we know it's 8, and now you are guessing that Clippy goes right up to the line. Look at the last ruler and see how that could have been 8, but it was just a guess. So again, if we look at the other ruler, here we have 8, but that's a guess. It could be 7 or 8. That's why it's different than 8.0. That means that we know that there's a line that says 8, like this one. Now with this ruler, if we take a look, let's zoom in. So it's 8, because it's right on that line. Is it 8.1? No. Is it 7.9? No. So because it's not 8.1, I'm going to say I know it's 8.0. So this is known, but now the guess is, well, could that be a little bit over? Maybe it is 8.02 centimeters. So that little bit right there, that's going to be our guess in between those two. So now this is going to be the guess. And the idea behind this is I wanted to show you when some zeros are important. Now you might actually guess that it is exactly on that line. It is 8.0, but you're like, I'm sure it's on that line. Then you have to put that other 0 because this is known, and then this is the guess. You're guessing that it is right on that 8 line. Top ruler, we said, not very useful. You could make a guess that it's somewhere between 7 and 9 centimeters, right? It's all a guess. The middle ruler is better since the margin for error is much smaller than the top one. With the middle ruler, your answer could be somewhere around 8.0 and 8.2. It's much better than this one. The bottom ruler is the most accurate since the margin for error is the smallest. It could be 8.0 or 8.05, somewhere very, very close.